Guys, in this video we will see the teachable machine, which is a very good and train a computer recognize your own image, sounds and poses. A very fast and easy way to create machine learning model for your sites, app and more. You can let's start it how we can do this and how we can use this teachable machine. So you have to research and you can look at this how you are doing these metals and non-metals and this like that. We can also create like that how we create this. So let's start it. So I hope in these videos that you look it. If you are new in my YouTube channels, that please subscribe my channel. So I have so many thousands of AI new tools. I have a created video how to use it and different AI models. Now look at this teachables machine. Let's get started. Let's click it and now this you can see here new project. First of all, if we use the image project, okay, now coming to this and we have to use this and we also use this, but we will be standard image model. Okay, now coming to this and here is the two models. You can use the webcam and the uploaded. So we will be use the webcam. Okay, we will be use the webcam. Let's start it. Here is a webcam. Okay, you can use this. So it's a first classes and the second classes. Okay, it's a hold record. Okay, now let's start it. I hope you look at this. So okay, now this is the first classes. Now the second class is the webcam. Let's just click it and different thing. Okay, this and now coming to the training, we have to preparing. It's preparing. Let's start it. Don't switch the tab and training is started and let's see the preview with this class 1. If I will be see the teeth, you can look at this 60%, 90, 100%, but it means if I will be the it's the first classes that most of the let's second classes. Okay, now we can use it. Now let's start it. We can export also. Now you can see this here export and the JavaScript you can see this here. Okay, now coming to the next models, what we have to do it now. The new project, click it and the audio project and the post project. Now coming to the post project. Okay, now webcam, switch it and like this. Okay, now this is the first classes and coming to the second classes. Okay, now training the model and this is sometimes. So it's a training. It's a recognize what was my posture and all these things. This is the best. It's owned by the Google's, which is a very good and we can must if somebody wants to learning machine learning, so it is a good things to be started like this because it's the name is teachable machines, so we are teachable. Now look at this. This is the first class is 100% and the second class is 100%. The first class is not. So what will I have to do it? What will I was the teach in this you can look this and the first classes you look this. If I will be do this, have you ever the seen if somebody is the movie scene is Iron Man? So all these things are the trend is a machine learning. The Iron Man say Harvey please do this, please do this. So all these things it's depend on the machine learning. So I hope video is useful for you. Thank you for watching it. We will see in the next video. Thank you.